The number one question I get as a crypto investor is, Boris, where can I buy this or that coin? If you watch this video until the end, you will never have to ask that question again. Plus, in this video we start documenting my crypto path in 2022 according to the strategy I will briefly explain in this video. So, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos related to passive income and make money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and company shares. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be some news on the channel soon, so be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out these important updates. Today we're talking about cryptocurrencies and how to find out where you can buy any cryptocurrency. Okay, let's split this tutorial into two parts. In the first part, we'll talk about the steps you need to take in order to find out where you can buy any cryptocurrency. We'll also quickly explain the cryptocurrency buying strategy, what the plan is and how long we plan to follow that strategy. In the second part of the video, we will buy cryptocurrencies according to the set strategy and talk briefly about some interesting news and why we are buying that crypto coin. The first step you want to take is to go to the CoinMarketCap website, or if you're on your mobile phone, install the CoinMarketCap app. This is by far the most used app in the crypto world. Then type the coin you're interested in the search bar, and when the information about it comes out, go to the market option. This is where you can see a list of all the exchange offices where you can buy your crypto coin. What you may notice also is that you can only buy some cryptocurrencies if you first buy another cryptocurrency and then trade it for that cryptocurrency you wanted to buy. We will illustrate such an example later in the video. So here in the pairs column you can see, for example, for MetaHero coin that you can only buy it if you buy first USDT and trade it for the MetaHero coin. And in the source column you can see on which exchanges you can trade it. If you did not understand, it will be clearer to you later when we complete the transaction. Okay, now that we explained to you how you can buy any token, we'll briefly explain our investment strategy. This is not a strategy with which we'll get a 100x return on a coin, but a long-term strategy guided by the statistics since the first cryptocurrency appeared in 2009, Bitcoin. Exactly every month we'll buy cryptocurrencies in the same amount of $50, but only cryptocurrencies from the top 10 lists. So we'll invest around $500 every month in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And then what? Then nothing. So we don't touch a single coin for a year unless one of them explodes by a huge percentage. So we'll just keep them. This is super important. To make the content more interesting, each month we'll also set aside up to an additional $100 to buy cryptocurrencies that we believe have the potential to explode this year and sell at the time when their value jumps sharply. Now that we briefly explained the strategy, we'll move on to the Binance admin panel and start buying the top 10 cryptocurrencies. A note before starting the purchase is that I'm not a financial advisor and this is only my investment strategy. If you want to copy it, that's fine, but you do it at your own risk. The most important piece of advice I have to you is to always do your own research when you want to make any financial decision. So, the first coin from the top 10 list we buy today is of course Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown developer, Satoshi Nakamoto. It's the coin that has the biggest market cap, and it's logical that it will be in the top 10 list and will probably stay there for many years. Some projections are that this coin will eventually exceed the value of $100,000 for one Bitcoin, and this will be perhaps the longest hold compared to all other cryptocurrencies in my portfolio. Like we said, we put $50 into the first coin on this new account at Binance and move on to the second one. The next coin from the top 10 list that we buy today is the younger brother of Bitcoin, Ethereum. After Bitcoin, the coin with the biggest market cap. Ethereum is a decentralized open source chain with smart contract functionality. Ether is the original cryptocurrency of the platform. Ethereum was designed in 2013 by developer Vitalik Buterin. The big disadvantage of Ethereum is the big gas fee, and there are coins that are based on identical technology as Ethereum, but they have a much lower fee and we'll mention them later in the video. So, we will also take $50 of Ethereum and put it into our portfolio. The next coin on the top 10 list that we buy today is Tether, USDT. Its current value is around $1 and it has a market cap of almost 80 billion. Tether is a cryptocurrency hosted on Ethereum blockchain with tokens issued by Tether Limited, which in turn is controlled by Bitfinex owners. Tether is called stablecoin because it was originally designed to always be worth $1, keeping $1 in reserve for each Tether issued. Now you must be wondering why we buy a coin that is designed to always be worth $1. Well, the answer is simple. Some cryptocurrencies you cannot only buy with your credit card, but you must first buy USDT and then transfer USDT to the desired coin. Also, the transaction fee is significantly lower when you buy another cryptocurrency in exchange for USDT. So we add $50 of Tether to our crypto portfolio. The next coin on the top 10 list that we buy is BNB coin. BNB stands for Binance coin. BNB coin is a cryptocurrency that is primarily used to pay fees for transactions and trading on the Binance exchange. It has the same purpose as the previous coin, and that is why we are adding $50 BNB to our portfolio. To sell BNB, you'll first need to switch to the Binance Smart Chain network. The next coin on the top 10 list that we buy is Cardano. Cardano is currently a coin with a fifth market cap of nearly 50 billion. Cardano is a public blockchain platform. It's open source and decentralized. It can facilitate peer-to-peer transactions with its internal cryptocurrency ADA. Cardano was founded in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. This is a coin that has experienced a more serious decline lately, so in my opinion it's an ideal opportunity to buy it now, if of course you believe in the purpose of its existence. So as the fifth coin we add $50 of Cardano to our portfolio. The sixth coin from the top 10 list we are going to buy is USD coin. USD coin is a digital stable coin pegged to the US dollar. USD coin is managed by a consortium called Center, which founded Circle and includes members from the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase and Bitcoin mining company Bitmain, an investor in Circle. His market cap is currently around 45 billion, and as with the previous ones, we are adding $50 to our portfolio. The seventh coin from the top 10 list we're going to buy is Solana. Solana is a public blockchain platform. Its internal cryptocurrency is SOL. The graph shows a slight increase over the last 7 days, caused by the statement of JP Morgan, which refers to NFT market share, in which Ethereum is losing more and more market share in favor of Solana. So we are adding another $50 of Solana to our portfolio on this new Binance account. As the world of NFTs becomes increasingly popular, this token will play an important role in a large number of transactions in the upcoming months and years. We reached to the 8th coin from the top 10 list, which is XRP. Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange and remittance network created by Ripple Labs, a USD-based technology company. Since the lawsuit is still active, we can call this coin a coin flip coin. Either it will experience great growth or it will fall very low. Regardless of the news from the financial market, we are adding it to our portfolio in the amount of $50, aware of this risk. This is perhaps the most risky coin from this top 10 list, but we will remain consistent with the strategy we have set. The ninth coin from the top 10 list we are adding to our portfolio is Terra. Terra, labeled Luna, is a cryptocurrency with a stable price that aims to power the next generation payment network and increase the real GDP of the blockchain economy. Terra uses a double symbolic frame, which is made of Terra, stable money, and the Luna, a guarantee token. The current market cap is around $30 billion, and this coin has recorded 5% growth in the last 24 hours. Terra is hot among the cool kids right now, as her token Luna hit an all-time high, so we add $50 of Luna to our crypto portfolio. The last in the series of coins from the top 10 list that we add to our portfolio is Polkadot. Polkadot is an open source blockchain platform and cryptocurrency that enables distributed computing. The protocol used, blind assignment for blockchain extension, is derived from Ouroboros. Polkadot has been down 10% in the last 7 days and will probably drop out of the top 10 list in a month, and besides XRP is the most risky token for our portfolio, but we will definitely take the $50 Polkadot and add it to our portfolio. If you thought that was all for today, it isn't. As we said at the beginning, in addition to this strategy, we will put another $100 in a few selected coins that we believe will experience great growth. First on the list of these coins is AVAX, labeled Avalanche. As we mentioned earlier, if you ever bought something with Ethereum, you've seen it has a high gas fee, and another disadvantage is the speed of the transaction. AVAX can do 4,500 transactions per second, Ethereum can only do 15. Another example is that if I want to send you $1 in Ethereum, it can cost me from $50 to $100. With AVAX, it can cost me $1 or less. This is one of the tokens that I believe that if they manage to improve and develop the ecosystem, there is a high potential for the growth of this coin. We will invest an additional $20 in this coin. As for the top list, it's currently in the 12th place. The next coin we add to the portfolio is a coin that has 10x potential and is not too risky to invest. It's Polygon. The purpose of this coin is to be a side chain to Ethereum. We will not explain the concept of the side chain now, but understand it as a support for Ethereum, where in the future, if they make an agreement and Polygon is taken over by Ethereum, this coin can jump significantly in its value. It will allow Ethereum to significantly lower the transaction costs we mentioned earlier. We will add $35 to our crypto portfolio. This coin is currently in the 13th place. The penultimate coin for today is Uniswap. Maybe you heard about him, maybe you didn't. Their Uni token has dropped a lot lately, and that is why we are adding it to our list. It's currently ranked 22nd with nearly 10 billion in market caps. Simply in the future, this is a place where a lot of people will use the platform to exchange their tokens for others, and this token has the potential to double or triple in the coming period, especially since its value has dropped significantly. We will add a $20 of Uni token to our crypto portfolio. The last coin we take today is a coin related to the development of metaverses. Personally, I believe that the implementation of metaverses is inevitable, and since metaverses are still in the development phase, it's a great opportunity to enter metaverses projects early before the metaverse is launched. It's an Engine MetaCity token. This is a metaverse version inspired by the world famous game Minecraft. This is a place where you can win free NFT real estate. It's currently ranked 61st on the list, and we will add $15 of this coin to our crypto portfolio at the end. In one of the next episodes, we will take another metaverse token as well. Why do people love Engine MetaCity? Because you can win free NFT drops that you can sell or keep forever. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!